In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Sheets in Chrome in 2023. Whether you're tracking expenses, organizing data, or collaborating with colleagues, Google Sheets offers a powerful and accessible solution. Using Google Chrome as your browser complements this user experience with speed and ease. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive right into the process. First, we'll start by opening Google Chrome. If you don't have Chrome installed yet, make sure to download and install it from the official Google Chrome webpage. Once you've got Chrome open, you'll be greeted by its sleek, minimalistic homepage. Here, you can dive into the world of Google Apps, offering seamless integration and functionality. Next up, look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll find a small grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu. It's like a treasure chest filled with various Google services heaped with potential. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action unfurls a neat drop-down menu that displays an array of Google applications. In this list, you'll see popular choices like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. But today, we are interested in one particular app. The third step is to locate and click on Sheets in this menu. Google Sheets is represented by a distinctive green icon with a table chart on it, easy to identify. Clicking on Sheets takes you to the Sheets homepage where you can access all your documents or create new ones. And now, for the final step, you need to open a blank spreadsheet. You'll notice on the Sheets landing page, the first option under Start a New Spreadsheet is a blank grid with a plus. That's your cue. Clicking this option will open a fresh, new statement for you to work your spreadsheet magic on. It's right here where the real productivity unfolds as you input data, make charts, and use formulas to analyze your information. With these straightforward steps, you're ready to start using Google Sheets through the Chrome browser, harnessing all the possibilities it has to offer. Google Sheets in Chrome makes creating and working with spreadsheets more accessible, enabling a more productive and collaborative environment. Now you can take advantage of Google's cloud-based service to store and access your work from anywhere, at any time. That's what makes it truly invaluable in today's fast-paced, interconnected world. And there you have it, a clear and concise guide to getting started with Google Sheets using Chrome. Happy spreadsheeting. Feel free to explore and experiment with all the tools and features that Google Sheets offers to enhance your data handling skills. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.